In data management, you can import the data, transform the data, and check any quality or format issues within the uploaded data. This step involves mapping your data fields to the DataVisor features. Let's begin with importing the data. You can import the data in multiple ways, like import from local system, connecting to your MySQL database, or upload directly from the S3 bucket. For this demo, let's import some data from the S3 bucket. Enter the name and description of the dataset and click Next. Now select the required files from the S3 bucket. Once you have selected the files, you have two options. You can either import and transform the data, or you can directly proceed to import and map. For this demo, let's select the Import and Transform option. Before transforming the data, you can preview and analyze all the fields and their values from the uploaded dataset. You can click on each fields and analyze the values. During transformation, you can 1. Delete the fields by disabling it using the toggle button. 2. You can add a new field name to include in the dataset. 3. You can merge two fields with a separator and create a new field. 4. You can also filter the dataset with specific values of the fields. Once you are done with transforming the dataset, you can preview the new dataset by clicking on the Test Run button. With the Join Dataset option, you can select two datasets and join them by specifying the key. You can also choose the type of join. With the Test Run option, you can see a preview of the dataset join. Once you are done with transforming the dataset, you can proceed to Data Mapping, where you will map the raw fields with the associated DataVisor fields. The mandatory fields are the required fields that DataVisor needs for fraud detection. The recommended fields are the recommendations from DataVisor for more effective fraud detection. You can also map your custom labels to DataVisor internal labels. And finally, you can map the remaining fields that you may think are important for modeling. After mapping the fields, you can then proceed and validate the dataset before using it for modeling. This may take up to 5 to 10 minutes depending on the size of the dataset. Once the validation is done, you can see the result of the validation by clicking on View Results. Here you can see any quality or format issues that the dataset may have. Also, you can analyze individual fields and their values to get a better understanding of the data. Once the dataset is validated successfully, you can now proceed to feature engineering. In case of alerts or format issues, you need to fix the issues and re-upload the dataset.